Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be teaching you how to do Supermans. For this exercise, you're going to need a soft surface as we're going to be on the ground. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and bring it down to the ground, lie flat on your tummy, extend your arms and extend your legs. Your thumbs are pointing up towards the sky, and your neck and spine are neutral. Your toes are pointing away from your shins, and we're ready to begin. Exhale and engage your core to raise your arms and your legs up simultaneously. Hold for a second, and then gently release, returning to your starting position. That is one repetition of a Superman. Let's go ahead and do that a couple of times, back to back, see how they flow together. Again, we lie flat on our tummies. Our arms and legs are extended, and our thumbs point up towards the sky, neck and spine are neutral and in line, and our toes are pointing away from our shins. We engage our core. Exhale and raise our arms and legs up. Hold and gently release before exhaling again to bring them back up. Inhale as they come down, and repeat the exercise. Keep your thumbs pointing towards the sky. Do not rotate your feet or your hands, and keep your neck and your spine neutral. And that is how you perform Supermans. If you learned something new and enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.